Hello, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and on this video today I'm talking about unemployment and how it affects people, how it affects you. Unemployment specifically in my hometown of Memphis, Tennessee. Unemployment, basically, there's two ways to deal with it. There's force and there's persuasion. Sometimes government wants to do it with force, that is their natural inclination. But they find usually that that doesn't work. By force, I mean they do some regulation that essentially orders business to say you will do this or you will do that, or you will pay this tax, or your tax is going up to help us fund unemployment insurance, things like that. The persuasion way is what we've been doing here in Memphis recently, and that is persuading businesses to relocate to the Memphis area by giving them tax breaks and so forth. And when you give a business a tax break, like many years ago, we attracted international paper here by giving them a large tax break. They moved here from New York. People object to that sometimes because they say, oh, these businesses are being treated differently than we are as ordinary people, but that's not really the case. The purpose for doing it is it's an investment because these businesses employ people. Those people pay sales tax, and that benefits the community, and they buy homes and they pay property tax, and that benefits the community. They employ people, in other words, and that is very important. That is the persuasion way, and that's the way that it should be done. But also, I will tell you that civic officials, people who run cities, who run governments, are not philanthropists. They act in their own best interests, what they think is right for them at the time. So why shouldn't you do that? If you are unemployed, if you lose your job, why could you not think about what is in your own best interest and consider bankruptcy to be rid of your debt? You can do that through Chapter 7, which is a complete discharge of all your dischargeable debt, or through a Chapter 13, which is a way for you to group all your payments, all your debts into one low payment that you can afford, still keeping your house, cars, all your property, and so forth. The only thing you need for Chapter 13 is a source of income. Usually even unemployment compensation will qualify until you get back on your feet. So those are something for you to consider if you lose your job, folks. Think about bankruptcy before you think about invading your retirement account, because that retirement account is probably completely exempt, meaning you get to keep it in bankruptcy. So don't go through your retirement account, then have to do a bankruptcy anyway.